Hi, Beamers. Today, we're going to talk about how to identify your hero product. So a hero product is the product that you sell that everyone wants. It's that one product across the board your customers love. They absolutely love it. So for Shailene, our hero product is our lavender body cream. Everyone loves the way it smells, the way it feels. It's our hero product. I know wherever I go, it's going to be my top selling product. When I do sales events, when I pitch it, if I'm sending a gift box to a potential buyer, potential partner, the lavender cream is always going to go in there because I know across the board, people absolutely love it. So when you are creating your brand, creating your products, figuring out what that cult sensation is going to be like can feel a little overwhelming. It can feel like, how am I going to know what people will like? And the best way to figure out and develop your hero product is communicating with your customers, right? It's knowing what they like. It's knowing how you're positioning your product to them, and it's testing it. You got to test it. And so when I was first starting Shailene, I believe it was 8 different scents. I had so many different scents. I had a rose scent, I had a lemon scent, I had a lavender scent, and I had all of these scents that I was trying to market all at the same time. And I noticed that anywhere I would go when I first started out, people always gravitated to the lavender and the honeysuckle. On my own, I always liked lavender, but I wanted something that wasn't just floral. I wanted something that was a light, fresh scent. So when we formulated our essential oils, for me, it was really, really important to have something that would be floral, but also light and fresh. And that's what people resonated with because it was a lavender scented product, but adding the honeysuckle did something different to it. And so when people would try it, it was a unique smell to them, and they really loved that unique smell. So being able to get real-time information from your customers, whether it's through focus groups, demoing, surveying them, asking them questions, all of that can lead into understanding what your customer wants and then crafting that hero product for your customer. And I'll just give an example. Anastasia Beverly Hills, the founder, she started and she focused on eyebrows, right? So her whole thing was she knew how to make your eyebrows look amazing. And from there, she was able to grow a multi-billion-dollar beauty business. And so that is just an example of how having one hero product can really propel you into building a really successful, large business.